Hi guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a watermelon slice in the summer, wearing some flip-flops and holding a popsicle. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to draw a diagonal line on your paper for your watermelon slice, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now let's draw a curved line on the bottom and another curved line inside the watermelon slice. When you're ready, we're going to go in the center of our drawing and we're going to draw two curved lines followed by a circle for the sunglasses, and then we're going to go to the other side and do the same exact thing. You're just drawing a curved when you guys are ready, we're going to go inside of the sunglasses and we're going to draw another circle inside for the lens, and you want to do that to the other side as well. Now we're going to go inside and we're going to draw a little teardrop. We want to add a little highlight in the sunglasses, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now when you guys are ready, let's draw a quick little curved line for the eyebrow, followed by a little smile and a little curved line for the tongue. And as you can see, I'm going in and I'm shading the sunglasses in black. If you're using a marker, this is easy to do. If you're using a pencil, you can just shade it with pencil. And as always, if I'm going too fast, you guys can always pause and proceed at your own pace. Now let's go ahead and draw some watermelon seeds inside of our watermelon. He looks really cute and happy. Now we're ready for two curved lines for the feet. And he's actually wearing flip-flops, so we're going to draw two ovals for his shoes. And now we're going to go in and draw two curved lines. Next, we're going to draw a curved line for the hand. And let's go in and draw three ovals. And let's go to the other side. We're going to draw a curved line, three ovals as well. His popsicle stick, and let's draw the bottom, and now we're ready for his actual popsicle. Draw a curved line followed by an upside down letter U, and we're just going in and adding some curved lines for some designs on the popsicle. That's pretty much it. We're going to draw two little short lines on the sides for the sunglasses, and if you want, you can go in and add more seeds. But that's pretty much our drawing. If you guys did enjoy the video and I did a good job of teaching you how to draw this cute summer watermelon, don't forget to like and share the video with someone that you care about, and I will see you guys on my next video. Have a great summer, everybody.